Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Canggu area, start from Subak Sari Street until Batu Belig Street. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, now we are in Canggu area, in Canggu Club. So today we will explore how the station start from Canggu until to Seminyak area on September 2021. You see the traffic today? It's very busy, isn't it? Lot of car and motorbike drive around in this area. Actually today I'm just gonna be explore how the station on the way up from Canggu until Seminyak. You see, there is a lot of tourists driving motorbike and car in this area. It looks very busy. You see the car right side, Mercedes. Oh, very beautiful car. In Canggu area is always busy, even during the pandemic corona. Left side is villa. A lot of villa around here, and not the shop. Right side also villa. If you see the weather today, it's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very blue sky and very shine. Very hot today. It's good to go to the beach actually. You see, right side and left side, there is a lot of villa around here, and also in this area is very green. In the right side, there is rice field. It's very green around here. In Canggu area, there is so many rice field. That's why Canggu is very famous to stay because it's still very green and nature. And also in Canggu area have very beautiful beach with the black sand. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali during the pandemic corona. During the pandemic corona, if the tourists from other country want to come to Bali, it's not easy. They have to make business visa, must have certificate or vaccine, and have to quarantine in Jakarta. So the tourists cannot fly straight away from their country to Bali. They have to fly to Jakarta first, and then they must do quarantine in Jakarta for around 10 days, and then they can be fly to Bali. So that's why when they reach the Bali, they stay here is very long time, around 2-3 months. You see this area is very beautiful, isn't it? It's very green. Canggu is very beautiful. And now we are still in Subak Sari Street. You see this street? It's very narrow, but two-way for the car. It is crazy, isn't it? Today, we explore in between Canggu to Seminyak. Because I get a customer, they request me to explore on this area in Subak Sari Street and Batu Belig Street. You see, it is very busy in small street. So if you are beginner on driving car, don't try to drive in here because it is very dangerous. Okay guys, so this is the real situation in Subak Sari Street until Batu Belig Street. It's very busy, isn't it? I love to see that. Okay guys, from Subak Sari Street, we turn left to explore Batu Belig Street. If I turn right, that is the way to go to Batu Belig Beach. But I turn left to explore Batu Belig Street. And now we are in Batu Belig Street. And you see the weather, still very beautiful. A lot of tourists on motorbike. Yeah, I love to see that. In Indonesia, for kids who people get the corona, it's going down and going down. And now it's getting lower. And also, the vaccine will end progress. So we hope together the border will be open very soonly. And then you will coming back to Bali again. In Batu Belig, there is a lot of hotels, shop, and restaurants. That's why before the pandemic corona, lots of people walk around on the sidewalk. Yeah, because the border is still closed, so this area is still very quiet. We hope together the border will be open very soonly and Bali get back to normal. But actually today I'm really happy because there is a lot motorbike and car. They drive around on the street and also a lot of tourists. Okay guys, so this is the situation from Subak Sari Street until to Peti Tengah Street. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.